Okay, so let's go ahead and create all these different agents and let's combine them all together. To give you a demonstration one by one, let's start completely from the beginning. I'm going to import my libraries first, then we'll do the basic setup. I'm connecting to my Azure OpenAI. I'm defining the model name. Then I've got my data class. Next, the very first agent that I'm going to create is writer agent. Content writer agent. You are a professional content writer. You write clean, structured, high quality blog posts, articles, and documents. For any writing task, produce engaging, well formatted content. Over here, I'm using the same GPT 4.1. But let's say if you are building this in a production level, you can use a different LLM model. So let's say for content writing, Claude models are the best models. So instead of 4.1, you can change this into Claude model. Similarly, let's build one more agent called coding agent. You are a elite software engineer, you write clean production quality code, blah, blah, blah. So we know that there is a different model which is much more better for coding. Of course, Claude is also really good. At the same time, if you go for Claude Opus models, they are way more better. So here you can use Claude Sonnet model, and here you can use Claude Opus model. So these are the writer and coding agent, but they don't have any tools. Let's create one more agent which has tools. This is the image generator agent. I'm passing the wrapper here and I'm taking the wrapper and I'm not using it anywhere, but ideally we should store some important information in this. For now, I'm just returning this URL as it is, but ideally we should use some other API like Leonardo, or maybe we can use DALI or GPT. These kind of different APIs can be used to create this tool properly. I'm attaching this tool to the image generator agent. And the instructions are very clear. You generate or fetch images for any prompt using this tool. That's it. Now, this is my image generator agent. Similarly, I'm going to create one more agent called as document analyst agent. Here, if you see, this is the create chart. I'm passing my wrapper here, data description. Based on that, I'm going to create this chart. For now, this is a completely dummy chart, and I'm going to return it here. This is my document analyst agent. The tool has been attached. Let's create one more final agent, which is called as work agent. What this does is search across files, search across emails, search across my calendar, search across my messages. And these are all the 4 different tools that I've created. For now, I've just put some dummy data inside of it. But let's say if you're using Microsoft Workspace, then you can use SharePoint, Outlook Calendar, and Teams. Or let's say if you're in the Google Workspace, then you can use Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Calendars and Google Meet. Similarly, if you are in a different workspace, then you can create all these tools depending upon your work environment. I've created a work agent here and I've attached all of my tools to this. Now I'm going to create one main agent, which is going to be connected with all of those. You can see in the handoff to the content writer agent, coding, image, document, work. Depending upon the user request, we will be routing between these different agents. Okay, now let's do a test run of all of them. First, I'll run this. Now let's run this. I don't need it here. This is my user info. Let's create the function ask agent. This is using the main agent, which is this one. I'm passing everything as it is. Perfect. Let's run. Now let's ask this question. Write a blog on generative AI in manufacturing. There you go. So my writer agent has written all of this. How do I know that? To verify it, I can simply do messages. And if you see, content writer agent was called. Transfer to the content writer agent function was called, and the content writer agent has written all of this for me. Similarly, if I ask for generate HTML code for a simple login page, there you go. All of this was written. Nice. Notes. Okay. Now let's see who was responsible for this. Transfer to coding agent, and the coding agent was responsible for writing the entire document for me. Similarly, for the remaining agents also, you can keep on asking your questions and the respective agent will be activated and it will answer your question. So this is how we can build a multi-agent multi-agent orchestration. So far, we have covered each and everything in the list. And at the very end, we have common problems that we are going to face in the AI agents part. So let's cover that and then we can close the whole chapter of Agentic AI. Thank you so much for watching.